In this video, we'll be talking about student access to Blackboard and the teacher's setup of that student access to Blackboard. The first thing you have to understand is that the Blackboard app is only useful for multiple choice questions. If you have any other type of questions that the students will be working with, the app is useless. So the students on their iPad or their phones will have to either use Google Chrome, Safari, or any other web browser. The first steps for the students is that they'll go to elearning.uaeu.ac.ae, and then the students will select the course, and then they'll see the week that you have set. So today we're going to go into my English Level 4, Section 604. And you notice that the students will be brought right into a practice MSAT exam, which I made. Now, there's no navigation available up here for them, no breadcrumbs, because there's only one thing in there. But if the students were in week 1, let's say, and then they went down to vocabulary to learn, you'll notice that they'll have that navigation breadcrumb up at the top, so that they could always go back to Unit 1 and select a different folder to do an activity in. And so this will allow the students to navigate around the week that you've chosen, the unit you've chosen. Unfortunately, on the iPad, students will have a difficult time navigating because the navigation bar here on the left, the sidebar, will be absent. And you'll also notice that this sidebar is absent when you use a computer that doesn't have a high enough resolution. Okay? So right now, let's talk about how the teachers to set up Blackboard. Obviously, you want to log into the course that you want to adjust. Also remember that you'll have to do this with each course that you're teaching separately. And also you'll have to adjust this each week because you want them to land in a different part of the course. So under the course management on the sidebar, you'll notice a tool that says customization. And so you're going to highlight that, and that'll give you down to your selections. And so the selection you're looking for is called teaching style. When you get into teaching style, you want to scroll down to select course entry point and choose which content you want them to enter into. Now, an important thing to remember is any of the material that you have hidden, you will not be able to select this as an entry point. So, that's something to keep in mind. So let's change this entry point to Unit 1. And at the bottom, you're going to see the Submit button. And you notice after you've done that, at the very top, you'll see that success, course style has been updated. It'll be brought back to customizations. So if you want to move it to a different course, you're going to go up to either Courses or My UAU. Either place will get you there. And I'm going to go down to my Section 616 class and repeat the process. All right, so again, we go to customization. We're going to scroll down to teaching style. We're going to scroll down to entry point. We're going to change that entry point to week 1. And we're going to hit the submit button. And there you go. That's really all you have to do to accomplish this task. All right, I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a good day.